During this kind of useful internship for the students, like collaboration between the university and the industry, this gives the students a chance to convey the scientific information in the classes in order to apply it for practical industrial applications. The students get the chance to see the actual scale of some scientific theories, how we apply it practically in real life. Of course, this is going to reflect on the quality of our graduates.
We're very happy to work with RIT University, with students for internship. Basically, we have been working with them on a project and to help them to understand how things work in real life, and also help us as well getting some benefits. And this is part of our youth development program. So once they get graduation, even if they work for Nestle or they work for another company, they will see how things work in real life.
This experience has taught me that studying in class is not enough. When you only focus in class and you're a model student, you're only taught the theory. But what this experience showed me is that when you move into the actual world, things are a lot more different than what you study in class, and you actually get to experience what you study in class in real life. And this experience has also taught me that working professionally is very important. If it wasn't for this experience, I would graduate and then have to discover the differences between what we study in class and real life after I graduate. But thanks to this experience, I can see the difference between theory and practical before I graduate as part of my degree.
My internship here at Nestle, I have learned so many things. I have learned how to apply a lot of the knowledge that I've gained at RIT in the past 5 years as a mechanical engineer onto a real-life application, and I was able to see how this knowledge is used practically in the industry.
Working on this project, the Admin Building Complex consulting project with Nestle, has been a very fruitful experience for me. I got to learn what it's like to work in a teamwork environment with members who have different personalities. And as we came together to work on this project, we came to realize that each one of us had a unique set of ideas to contribute to the completion of the project.
Working on Nestle project helped me work on my consulting skills and project management skills and take them to a next level.